Hey, how you doing? I'm a hacker! Welcome to Retro Nokia stuff, and I can't see anything. Get to the... Okay, enough douching around. So, welcome everyone, and sorry about my voice. I coughed a lot. Well, this is what happens when you, let's just say, get choked with vomit while sleeping. I almost solved all my problems by not waking up. So yeah, I coughed all night to get that disgusting thing out of my lungs. And this is what happens when you cough too much. You lose your voice. Man, I sound... So, in this video, I'm answering to a comment from an old subscriber of mine. And I know all of my subscribers that watch my videos and support me. And I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. In this video, it's about this guy. Or gal, I don't know, sorry, I think you're a guy, right? KNL. A video tutorial on how to put a snake game on Nokia 6630. I'm guessing you mean the 3D snake. So, yeah, I went on Googling and I found this site that has a lot of game packs. And you can download it. I also downloaded it. Down here, see PDF. Click it. You can just open the PDF. And this is the link. Click this and save it. Don't worry, there are no viruses. I checked it. I already downloaded it. Don't worry, it doesn't have a virus. This is the archive. I already... Well, there are some damaged ones that couldn't unpack it. But you can search here. Snake. Not snakes, snake. And here you have Snake's Outbreak. That's the game. That's the one you want. The 3D one. And here it is. This is the preview. This is the game. This is the one that came as standard on my N73. And installation note, you just extract this one that I already did. And transfer its content to the MMC apps directory system apps. Well, so I have my 6630 that I restored it in this video if you're curious about it. What I like about these old phones that when you open the memory card door, it has like a button. It knows when you open it and it automatically closes the apps that are installed on the SD card. I will use this high performance SD card. In case it was blurry and I didn't see it, it has the incredible amount of 32 megabytes. And I'll need a card reader. In case you have a blank card to show you, because if it's blank it won't have, you know, all the folders. Well, this one is not blank. I'm going to delete everything like it's blank, you know. I said too much blank. Blanca. Pull it out, unlike my dad, and place the memory card in. The phone already saw it. Just wander through it, you know. It's already occupied 2 kilobytes, which is good. It means that it already set the folders. Go to File Manager. There's the card. See, it had already written these folders, but the system folder is not here. So in order to do that, let's do a file transfer. You can either do it through the through the card reader, or you can just use your standard Nokia cable, which I'm going to try to use now. If it doesn't work, because I haven't tested this yet, I'll just put the card, plug it in. You will need Nokia PC Suite for this, so that you can see it here. Nokia phone browser, 6630, memory card. Let's take another game that has the .sys, you know. Let's try Asphalt 2 3D. This is the game. Wow, look at the clarity and the pixels. Let's copy this. Boom. Okay, copied enough. Now we're going to install it. Let me show you what I'm doing. So, make sure to install it in the memory card. It's installing right now. Man, I hate my voice. Dang it. Come on, come on. Install, 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 install. There we have it. See, system already appeared. Now, since we installed it, why not also play it a little, you know? Here it is. I'm a going. Okay, enough of that because I'm standing in a weird position. Alright, now that we have that, let's see if it sees the system folder because it's usually hidden. If it's hidden, then we have to use with the card reader. See, no system file, it's hidden. Even if you have InView enabled to see hidden files, hidden folders, it won't show it to you. So what we need to do, oh yeah, I told you about the future that it says it here. I'm going to open the SD card door. See, it already detected it. Just take it out of here, good. Okay, now plug in this back to the memory card reader, boom, and plug it in here, like I mean it. Here we have system, and go to apps. See, it already has Asphalt there. Now all you have to do is to just do as it says, you know, in the installation note it says just to copy that, well, transfer that folder. This one. We're going to just we're going to copy it right here, and that's that. Won't be needing this anymore. Taking this out, putting the SD card back in its rightful place. Sorry about that, the ground is shaking. Now, no installation needed, just go. Dude, here we have it. Snakes. Now it saw the card. Is this the game you wanted? Because I'm guessing this was it. I got a big snake. Wait, that sounded... Actually, it sounded right. Yeah, I got a big snake. Time up. Let me just close it. So yeah, this is the game. Well, yeah, that's one way to install it. Well, that's the way they told you to do it. I'm going to leave a link in the description with this site. So remember, just download PDF, click it. You can download the PDF or just open it with your browser if you have that option. Then download all this folder. You have all these games. So, I hope you found it useful, and I hope I answered your question, KNL. Well, KNL. Sorry, because of my voice, I can't deduct how I'm talking, how wrong it is. I already have a muddy English now. It's even worse. So, sorry about that. I hope your ears are not bleeding. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. If you didn't, you know what not to do. Share this video with your friends if you're also Nokia fans like me. and I'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye-bye.
It's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. And we live in the moment till you